Well, we have another planet that's going to start a retrograde cycle starting tomorrow morning on Tuesday, July 2nd. And I want to tell you a little bit about it. It's about Neptune. And if you're interested in it, stick around. If you're not, that's okay. Realize you might feel a little bit foggy, so do what you need to do to keep a clear head. If you'd like to learn how to work with me, pause to read. I do have an intro to birth chart class that I'll be doing on Zoom on the 9th and in person at Collective Dimensions in Crystal on the 13th. The sign up for it does end this coming week, so make sure that you sign up. So Neptune is the planet that is dreamy, likes to dissolve things, has us questioning our boundaries and making sure that we have them, is the high road of Neptune. Neptune is super creative. Along with boundary issues, if you have problems with addictions, you might want to be very vigilant over the next few days because it might feel like it's easier to want to go that route if that's part of your story. Neptune, when Neptune is retrograde, just like any retrograde planet, you want to turn inward. So you might lean more into prayer or to using your cards or whatever you need to do to kind of, if you're second guessing yourself, to get the confirmation that you need. Sometimes I ask for signs in and around the normal world just so I can validate things as well. Now, with that said, you'll want to see in your chart where 29 degrees of Pisces lies, all the way to, well, he'll move backwards to 27 degrees of Pisces. So looking at your mutable signs, that's Pisces, Gemini, Virgo, and Sagittarius, do you have any personal planets, Sun, Moon, Mercury, Mars, or Venus, around 25 degrees of those signs, all the way up to the cardinal signs, which are Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn, up to 2 degrees. I talk about the personal planets interaction, by the way, in my intro to birth chart class. So if this kind of stuff, when you hear astrologers talk about it, interests you and you want to learn more about it, please check out that class. So why it's important to see if any of those planets are talking to Neptune in some ways, there might be a little bit of dissolving of how you do things. I am in exact square right now with Neptune in the sky with Mars in my chart. And I'm noticing I have different drive and determination for certain things within the topics of that house. Ultimately, Neptune, between now and December, when he starts to turn around again, is just going to ask you to look inside and evaluate what is it that I really want to have in my life, and can I use my intuition to make it happen? Because remember, retrograde is always inside. Let me know if this helps.